I gotta take off 10 thousandths over here on this side, because for some reason or another this side's shallower. I must have made a mistake somewhere. So on this depth here, I gotta take off 10. I don't want it setting up there cocked, getting the angle on the cock. So I'm gonna touch off here. Now, I'm going to have to change all this out and everything. I'm going to have to put a drill in there, because I'm going to drill and tap me a 10mm hole. And wherever it's got to go, I got to set up and do all that. Read the instructions. Let's see what happens. Good man. So, it's not in the center. The hole in the tailstock, is not in the center of the waves of the lathe. It's 296 thousandths center of the hole from the edge of the lathe, waves of the lathe. So I was thinking I was going to put it in the middle. I'm glad I checked all this out before I done that. There's been a lot of work wasted. So, well, 296 thousandths is where I'm going to put the 10mm tap hole in. So that'd go in the center of this. So it'll come up through there. Then I'll have to put a hole in this for cam. So I'm going to have to set my mill up. Okay. It says to with a 1/2" transfer punch, you got to go through this hole here, lay that up in there, go through there and mark the back of the back side of my steady rest, and then drill a hole in it. So it says drill a 1/2" hole through the back of the tailstock. Okay, now I guess I'm better go ahead and do that. You know, guess I'm going to have to go ahead and do all that first. So let's get set up and do that. Do the tailstock first. Tells me to use the same nut, but I ain't gonna use that old crazy thing. Piece of crap. Made my block here. So now all I gotta do is get my hole in my block. So I think I'm gonna do that first. Get my hole in the block, make sure it lines up with the tailstock. I'll get back with you. Over the hole where I want to put my hole at. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to center drill it. $10mm 1.5 thread requires 8.5mm drill. what I'm going to do, what I've always done, is I'm going to change that 8.5mm drill into a fraction drill. So that's 8.50 divided by 0.03937 comes out to a 215 size drill, which is a number 3 drill. That's close. And that's only like 3 thousandths. What I size what I need, that's 315. That's a 215. I'm sorry. Number size drill is 213. I can use a 7/32 if I want to, but I'm not. That's a little way over. So I'll probably weld this in anyway from the back side so that the threads don't turn on me and vibration come loose one day. May just Loctite it in. But I'm going to get me a number size 3 drill, and that's what I'm going to drill it. Now wait a minute, I'll take that back. That ain't gonna work. It might. Yeah, number three. That don't look right. That don't look right at all. No. 850. My fingering's wrong. Let's do this again. .50 drill times 0.03937. No? Okay. I'm going to edit that out. We're going to do this again. Okay. 10mm point 1.5 requires an 8.50 drill. I don't have any metric drills. So what I've always done in the past was change that into a fraction. Get something close. So 8.50 drill times 0.03937 equals a 334 drill. So a 334 drill is a Q, which is 332. So 2,000 ain't gonna make much difference because the drill probably drill over a little bit. So, and I'm probably gonna Loctite this in, or I'm gonna weld it in. This both in. So I'll give me a Q size drill. Because if I go higher, if I do an R, that's gonna be too loose. I'd like to have my threads tight. So I'll do a Q. So here we go. Send and drill it. There you go. Chamfer this side. Put them drilled up. Center drill. Just put somewhere where I don't know things are. Alright. Clean this up. All right, now get a tap handle. Let me move this over here so I can tap it. Oh, I enjoy this kind of work. Oh, I love it. To me, it's like artwork. To me, it's like being a sculpture or art. Take blank canvas, you put something on it. You made something. So you take a stone, solid stone, rock, you carve on it. Make something out of it. It's the same way with the wood. Take a piece of wood, carve on it, and make something out of it. I always loved art. I was always drawing something, doing something, enjoying stuff. Maybe I should have drilled this a little bigger. It'll be a tight fit. You know it? Ta-da! See that? See how easy that was? Now we've got to go over here and try to see if it fits. It'd be a mess if it didn't fit, would it?